What up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. This your boy Jay Reed for Jay Reed's Love of Cars. What are we doing? We ain't doing too much today, but as you can see, we have the VMS drag pack on the car. You may be thinking he must be going to the track. No, I am not going to the track, but I had to put them on here. Why did I have to put them on here? Because on Saturday, which is a couple days from now, we taking the car back to the shop to finish getting the supercharger set up and installed in the car. Now, the supercharger is in there, but I'm upgrading my fuel system. My fuel system couldn't handle the pulley. It couldn't handle the pulley. So I got to upgrade that, and I got all of my upgrades, and I'm going to show you those upgrades, and we're going to see how much power it's going to be making in a few days. I had to put these on here because if you follow the channel, the last time I went to the dyno, I did not have my drag pack on, and it was messing up my because okay, long story short, these are like 25.7. The stock wheels over here are 26.6. When I went to the dyno, I had those on there, and so when you take your car to the dyno, they are essentially setting the shift points not by RPM, but by miles an hour. Well, if you got a small diameter tire or even a larger diameter tire than what was used on the dyno, you're going to mess up your shift points, and we never could get it right. It's kind of hard to get right when you don't have a computer or HP tuners out there at the track, and I'm not providing back good data to my tuner. But nevertheless, we are fixing to get it right. We're getting it right this time. We are getting it right this time. And yes, you do see I ended up selling the 305 drag radials, and now we got back on here my year-old 275 4017s. I'm thinking that's gonna get me out the hole a lot quicker, but I digress. What do we have in the car right here? Because this is what the video is about. When I take it to the track, take it back to the shop, we're gonna put some, I won't say this is an upgrade, but when I bought the kit, I bought the 3/4 pulley, and I also bought the 3/8 pulley. The 3/4 pulley is on there now. And when it got installed, they were saying it may be belt slip. So I think we're gonna put this 3/8 pulley on, and hopefully if there was belt slip, that's going to decrease. So that's one modification that we're doing. I really hope that they can use the 3/4 pulley, because that means more horsepower. It sure does. Now, what do we have right here? Yes, Lord. We already got the meth on the Corvette, but we are gonna also be adding a flex fuel sensor. That's right, this is a DSX tuning flex fuel sensor. This is one of the better ones that are out there. It's pretty much the standard when it comes to, it's pretty much the standard when it comes to Corvettes. So we got the flex fuel sensor. It was a great deal. I essentially got this free in a package deal with the injectors. So that leads me to that. The injectors that we are running is once again the standard injectors. These are the ID 1300 injectors. That's right, 1300 cc, and they will handle just about any fuel that you throw at them. The pump that's going in is a DSX fuel system that's capable of 900 horsepower. So like I said, when you look at, I got the TI trim supercharger. We got meth. We're gonna have E85. We got the small pulley. We got the auxiliary secondary pump. My fuel system is going to be lit, as well as everything else. Uh-oh, my camera messed up. But anyway, these are the injectors, the ID 1300. If you know anything about these injectors, you know they're not cheap. So they come with adapters too. Don't think we'll probably need them, but it's amazing how small these injectors are. If you saw my old Honda injectors, they damn near the size of, these are damn near, two of these are almost the size of one of those. It's crazy. It is absolutely crazy. But that's neither here nor there. Like I said, we got the ID 1300 cc injectors. So man, we're gonna be making all the boosts. We're gonna be making all the everything. The reason why I'm putting this in the car right now, because I don't want to forget anything. And then of course we got this down here. Oh, my nitrous. I really want to put that on so bad, but my tuner told me when I suggested, hey, what you think? The other tuner, the one I should have went to in the first place, He said, get a thing a chance to live, man. So yeah, we're gonna do that. So that's just the update that I got for you. Not too much going on other than that. Cannot wait to share with y'all the results. Hopefully when we get it on the dyno, there won't be a ton of problems or any more unexpected surprises as far as expenses, because I've been expensive. I've been, woo, At some point, I feel like I'm gonna have to raise this front up a little bit, because I don't know if you can see it or not, but man, it's low, it's low. And a little plastic piece up under there, you probably can't see it, I don't know if you can see it or not, but that little plastic, ooh, shit. Woo! Mother, that little plastic piece is on the ground. It's dragging. It's not dragging all the time, but it drags. I think this kind of got the back jacked up a little bit too, because there's more weight in front now. So all of that, there's a lot to think about, because all of that may end up affecting my traction. So you got to think about all of these stuff. Because what I don't want to do is get out there and I'm spinning and I'm thinking, oh, I should have kept my other tires, but not even thinking about the fact that I added more weight to the front. So, you know, that's something to think about. I hope the weight transfer great and we don't have to worry about that. Because these tires, they got some passes on them. And I'm trying to debate on if I want to just get rid of the drag pack and put some Mickeys on my street tires and just essentially keep it a pretty quick street car. I don't know. I'm kind of leaning towards that. Y'all let me know what you think in the comment. In the meantime, I'm gonna holler at you. This your boy. Can't wait to talk to you again. Peace.